What's up everybody, it is Colin here, and in this video we're going to have a look at Adblade, the native ad traffic network. The most innovative content style ad platform on the web. Reach over 3 million users, premium, national and local sites. Only content style format with in-content placement. Start advertising now. Obviously, as usual with these kind of traffic sources, you have the advertiser side and the publisher side. The publisher side if you want to monetize your website, and the advertiser side if you want to run traffic to your offers. As we are CPA marketers, we're going to run traffic to our CPA offers. So I already made an account. I'm going to press on login, and this is what you see. Extremely basic interface. We have the sign out option, the balance, the account ID, and welcome to me. Adblade logo, advertise home, create new ad, my account, tracking, fund the account, profile, FAQ. So we'll for sure check out the FAQ. What we're looking at, system message, please review your max bid settings and confirm your bid value. All right. Then you can email them only. Apparently there's no chat support or anything. Account daily spend limit. Well, there's nothing live yet, right? Because it's the first time logging in for me. Manage ad groups, manage max bids, group spend, caps, set up email reports. Well, as you can see, we have a report section here, just as the dashboard. Today, specific dates, show only ads with views, statuses, all plus archive, active, pause, deactivated by admin, all kinds of different options that are available, denied by advertiser, paused. And then you have the ad ID, campaign name, title, your bid, daily, basically all the information you need to know, right? Ooh, quality score. That's interesting. They integrate a quality score based on the competitiveness of the ad. Interesting. Conversions, post-click page views, average price, ready to go live when, and you can export everything as a CSV, which is nice. So let's just go at the FAQ first to see if there are any questions we can see. So they do not do CPL, or they do CPC or CPM. What type of pricing models, cost per click or cost per 1,000 views? Can you create ads for me? We're happy to help with best practices. Please contact your... Yeah, so they guide you if needed. How to set up an advertiser account. Is there a minimum commitment? $50. That's good. Only $50. Usually for these native ad platforms, it's $100 to get started. But this one is $50. Then the link to best practices. All right. And they have like a thing on what to do and what not to do. All right, images should be simple, images should be clear, don't look staged, celebrity images work, nobody wants to see a model. Real life people, okay, well, quite useless, but if you need it, that's where you find it. Can you target country outside the US? Yes, you can target, well, there's a whole list of inventory they have available. They have not been approved. All right, what are your ad specs? Then you can find the ad specs. Oh, simple, quite simple. If you need more information, you can find it in their help center. But let's look at the fund account. What kind of options do we have? We can do credit card or PayPal. Simple. No other options available. When we go to the tracking, you can use the standard conversion pixel with the HTML code. You can just put that on your lander, simple, and you can use retargeting pixels, post-click page views. I think that was the one you would want. And you can create the retargeting pixels to follow up with your previous clicks. Well, my account, you can see your balance, boring stuff. Let's just go into the ad creation straight away. So they recommend you to read the advertising policies. How will my ad look? Your ads can be displayed in multiple combinations of image, short description, long description. Please be sure that both short and long make sense to the user on their own. Please note, ad attributes may vary depending upon the publisher. All right, news. Adblade network, you can do desktop, you can do mobile and tablet. Let's just do run on network, but I want to see stock availability. So let's just do US only. All right. Oh, you cannot use copyright images, media images, small image. Please enter dollar value CPA value goal. $2. No flight dates, no day parting. I only want US. Incompatible ads. All right. Target by zip code. Holy shit. That's intense. Target by metro area. So let's say we want Alabama, a metropolitan region. Pretty cool. That's pretty detailed targeting. Target by US state. Well, that's common, but this is cool. I like it. Target users, use retargeting. Then you have to set up the pixel. See what we did before. Name and the expiration dates. None. Pay per click, minimum 35 cents. So 60 cents. Your account could qualify for lower bid price if you promoted content. Please email us for approval. Ready to go live. The weird thing is though, where do you see the potential traffic amount? Because they don't have that, and I hate when traffic sources don't show you the potential traffic amount, because then you can play around with the bid. Right now you have to wait until you acquire the data, but the sign up process, the campaign creation process is quite smooth. And then you just press create ad. Obviously I didn't fit it in half. They say fix the errors, right? But that was quite easy. Then obviously when you go, ooh, all right, so if you click there, then you're logged out, kinda. Advertising home is where you have to go to. You would imagine that if you press the logo, you would be taken to advertising home, but apparently not. So once you've created your new ad, they will appear here, and as soon as they start running, it will gather data. It will show you all the information you need to know. Quite easy, actually. Not much, I would say, that can go wrong here. You just have to play. As soon as you have the data, the important things start, right? You can manage the ad route, manage the max bids, play around with the bids to get more traffic, less traffic, pause campaigns, update campaigns, launch more campaigns. But so far, quite smooth. Adblade, pretty interesting network, basic feature, beginner friendly, $50 US minimum deposit. If you have any questions about Adblade, please ask them in the comments down below, and I will help you out with all the answers I can give if I know the answers to them. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.